Nando's now, guys. Just only. Hi guys, we're going to pick up our order in Nando's. We ordered for our dinner because it's a Saturday. He said that no cooking for weekend. How sweet he is. How sweet my husband.
It's selfish for me because I like Nando.
Ah, you like Nando's.
I do, super.
Alright. Okay.
Canon eats us. It's like a point and shoot.
Here we go. We're in Nando's now, guys. Hi guys, we're here in Nando's now. And Steven, she's inside in Nando's to collect our order. He ordered through online. He ordered through online. So I just stay in my car. Stay in the car to wait Steven. Because I think it's not allowed again to take a video there, so I'll be take a video here in this. Okay. Here we go. This side.
You like that?
Alright.
We're going home from Nando's. Nando's We're home guys. Yan guys, karating lang namin. Ito yung order namin. Collection lang siya guys. Collection. Steven ordered through online. So ito ang in-order niya. 1/2 chicken. What's this inside? This is the rice. Oh my god, it's only little, small. Ayan siya.
There's also the video recording button and a spin wheel with a variety of options for the various shooting modes. On the bottom, we have the universal tripod mount,
Rice.
small door that reveals the battery.
And then
On the right side of the camera, we have the camera flash toggle. On the left
very small, hon.
side, the HDMI port and the mini USB port.
Spinach daw to.
On the back side, we have the 3-inch LCD display.
Spinach daw yan. Yan o, spinach.
Button.
4 sides. Small size. And then coleslaw. Yan, coleslaw. And then and mashed potato. Ayan. Ang mashed potato. Ayan. The last but not the least is the big chicken. Wow! Masarap! Let's kain na kami! Kain tayo guys! Ayan siya guys. Whole chicken yan siya. Ito yung 4 na sides. coleslaw, mashed potato, at then ito parang spinach, and then at saka ito ay what's this? Fried rice. Sa akin ang fried rice. Ayan. Let's eat, guys.
Give this video a like if you'd like me to do a comparison video between those two cameras. I picked up the silver model, but it also is available in black. The
Stephen is
features of this camera
preparing
is that
for
it comes
my
with a 40-time optical zoom, which is extremely
preparing
impressive,
for my
and that it can record 4K
camera
video. Other
vlogging.
specifications
He
include
went
a
to buy me. That's why
20.3
he's super
megapixel CMOS sensor.
review. Hello, guys. You see, just like raining in the Philippines. Oh my God, too much raining. I feel like in the Philippines. Oh, you see, oh my God, it's really, really raining here. Yeah. Super, super raining, guys. Like in the Philippines, some area up. It's really raining. Some area in the UK are flooding. It's raining. Too much raining here. I just remember my country, guys. You see? Oh my God. It's unusual. Before, the rain here is just like drizzling like that, but here you see just like in the Asian countries now, raining in UK like Philippines.